Hi, it's Tara back with video 5. We are going to capture the image. Okay, now we're going to the capture wizard. We're going to make it easy for you with all these wizards. Okay, so go to your side pane and click on images now. And then we're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and we're going to click capture. So the capture wizard is going to launch and then you're going to see virtual hard disk. Now, if you created your virtual reference machine using the Build Wizard's guided option that we showed you in the previous video, this field will be pre-populated with the hard disk file of the reference VM you created there. Otherwise, you'll have to select the virtual hard disk of the reference VM yourself. Click Browse to look for the virtual hard disk file of the reference machine we created earlier. Once selected, SmartDeploy will scan the disk and search for the operating system to capture. Once scanning is complete, you will see the partitions of your virtual hard disk and you can select the ones you want to capture. We're going to stick with the defaults and check them all. Click Next. This is an opportunity to enter a product key here if you have one, or you can add one later when you're creating your answer file, but it's not required in either case. If you specify one here, it will be permanently applied to your image and you won't be able to change it later. If you're just testing a deployment, you can just leave it blank. If you're using the built-in administrator account on your reference VM and want to set up a different password for it in the image, you can enter the new password here. But this is optional. You can also leave it blank and click Next. And then I'm going to select standard image, hit next. So here is where you can browse and change the storage location if you want. So it's going to capture the image now. It takes a little bit of time, not too much. And then you should get a image was captured successfully window. And then you should see your image pop up in your pane here. That is it. Next video, we are going to talk about platform packs and application packs. I'll see you then.